What's going on? So I just wanted to make a basic tutorial about making borders in Microsoft Excel. So borders are a great way to help segment your data or organize and format your spreadsheets. And Microsoft Excel is great because they have many flexible options to create borders around your cells. So first to create a border, you're going to highlight the cells that you're going to create a border around. So just say these top four and these four in the top left corner right here. We're going to go to the Home tab, and do you see this right here? This is what you're going to do to make. This is what you're going to click to make a border. So right now I have it under no border, but you're going to click this drop down menu, which allows you to have a variety of options to create borders. So for example, you can just have bottom border, which looks like that, or you could have a top border. And one of the great things about Excel is there are many options with the borders that you can create. So you can, for example, have a thick outside border, or if you don't want a border at all, you can just either erase the border, so you can, which allows you to erase specific parts of the border. So let's just say you erase some data, for example, and you want to bring it back. So you can just create a full border, and if you only need part of the border, then you can erase the parts that you don't need. Or you can go through and just select no border. Also, one of the great features that Excel has for borders is that you can actually customize your own borders. So you can, for example, draw a border. Let's say I wanted a border around these cells, and around these cells, for whatever reason, I can have it look like that. Or I can even create a grid, draw a border grid, which kind of creates a grid around the cells that I would like to create a grid around. And you can even change the color of the line. So let's just say I wanted a green border, but you have to redraw the border whenever you create the color. So I just changed the color of the border back to black real quick. But you can also have a lot of flexibility, and you can even have different styles of the line. So for example, you can have a double border where you just kind of have two lines around the border, which makes it kind of look like that, or kind of like that right there. Or you can also, for example, have a dotted version, which looks like that. And you can even go through and change the thicknesses, change the thickness of your border, which can be done through, just scroll down a little bit, go right here to more borders, which allows you to have a lot more flexibility in the options that you have for creating a border. So for example, here it goes to the general format cells, more options tab, but you can have just many more options when it comes to creating a border. So you can have borders look like that if you wanted to. And yeah, so I really hope that helped. Hope this can help you format your Excel documents in the future. And please like, subscribe, comment. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or suggestions. Have a great day. And that's what that kind of looks like if you're just curious.